A 30-minute better than takeout chicken fried rice that you can simply make at home. To your sliced chicken thighs, add regular soy sauce, chousing wine, cornstarch, and oil. Marinate and set aside. In a bowl, combine regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, chicken bouillon powder, white pepper, mix together. Over medium-high heat, add oil and your marinated chicken. Fry until cooked, remove and set aside. More oil, shallots and garlic, fry for 10 seconds. Push to the side, peas and carrots, fry for another 10 seconds. Push to the side, more oil, eggs, scramble, then mix with your ingredients. Stale cooked rice, mix flour, chicken, toss together, sauce, one last mix.